Dalton and I's anniversary. Woo! So we're going ice skating because that's one of the first things we ever bonded over.
Hey.
And so this is the fit. I've got my Lululemon belt bag. And then I'm wearing my Roots quarter zip, my black Abercrombie mock neck bodysuit, my black Lulu pants that I wear all the time, and my sunglasses from Target, my sunglass chain so that I don't want them to fall off when I'm ice skating, obviously. Also from Target, earrings from Target, and necklace from Etsy. And I will not be wearing closed-toed shoes. I'm just bringing socks with me. But I have my own skates. We both have our own skates, so yay. Dalton, give us your outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. Top and bottom is the set. Team Canada from the Olympics from Lululemon in Canada. I bought it at the Edmonton Mall. It was from Allbirds, socks from Bombas, I think. Also, sunglasses, yeah, from Nassau. Man, my whole fit is like from around the world.
Yeah.
When do you leave?
That is cute.
It's 11. Wait, does this look familiar?
You're lying.
It looks like it.
It looks exactly like it. Holy wow.
Autographed baseball.
Dalton and I are going to run some errands with the little amount of Christmas money we are allotting ourselves to spend since the rest is going to bills. Here's our outfit of the day. I'm wearing my tried and true Abercrombie & Fitch jeans, my Halara sports bra, my Free People cardigan that I thrifted, but I can't remember where. I think it was either Goodwill or Value Village, honestly. I think this might have been a Value Village find. And I was like, it's too small. Obviously, it's a little too short and it's a little too small, but it still looks cute. So, my sunglasses, always, as usual, Target. My ring is from Pandora because I lost my Etsy ring. Oopsie. And my Etsy Evil Eye. And my earrings are from a small shop in Homer on the Homer Spit. And my Kate Spade purse from the Outlets. And I'll be wearing my Crocs. Per usual. Dalton?
Top from Shein, however you say it. American Eagle jeans, the stretchy kind, because all the other kinds suck. Bomba socks and a ring from the PX, and that's it. Pretty cash.
Simple fit. Let's go run some errands.
I can chill on it and watch movies in too.
Yeah.
But the problem is,
Okay, well, we ended up getting a couch, and Dalton is now at this U-Haul dealership trying to rent a U-Haul real quick to just get the couch and take it to our house because it's only $20 to rent the U-Haul, and he doesn't feel comfortable driving with the back open, which I completely understand to a degree because, like, there's almost no way to get to our house without going on a major road, and I don't really like going on major roads with the trunk open, so I get it to a degree, but like I'm like, do we need to spend $20 on a U-Haul? But whatever, it's $20. Okay, I convinced Dalton not to rent a U-Haul. However, that means now I have to go with him, but it is what it is. So obviously, first things first, we must wash the covers. Alright, so Dalton is in the other room. He just bought a new upholstery cleaner because we had one from my parents that's like forever old. Probably like at least 10 years old. And it had been kind of broken for a while, but I guess it's really broken now. And so Dalton just bought a new one. I was like, I don't think we have the money for that right now, but he said that he would sell some of his stuff on Facebook Marketplace and whatnot because he really wanted one. So I was like, okay. All right. He's in the other room cleaning the new couch that's going in there, and we moved this couch out here for now just because like we live on the 3rd fucking floor and I'm not fucking carrying this shit down. So here we are, just laying on the couch, and it's actually really nice. Like, this is my view of the TV, and we actually both don't hate it, but it just makes the room feel so much more cramped, so we're not sure if we want to keep it here or not. Hi! Luna loves this couch too. I think she'll love the other couch as well. Oh, my baby. Oh, you going up there? Find the puzzle table? Not too bad. My eczema, like the dryness in my hands, is really bad. Like, they're just extra dry right now, and my eczema is really bad on my right hand. So I think it might be time to do some beef tallow, which, like, my friend told me about that for her eczema before any of these fucking dumbass men are spending so much money on this stupid skincare thing. I literally buy the beef tallow for cooking, and it works the same. I just keep it in my bathroom because I don't use it to cook. I just put it on my hands and I just let it kind of do its thing, and then when I can't stand it anymore, I'll wipe off the excess with a paper towel. But usually I can handle it for a little bit. I hate the dryness. I don't usually do too much on the palms because they're not dry. Sometimes I will put my hands in Ziploc bags, my hands in there with like a heating pad, like a microwavable sock, like rice thing, or a plug-in heating pad, and just put that on top and kind of just let it all soak in. That's my fave, because that's what they do at the nail salon. So when they like moisturize your hands, I haven't been to a nail salon in years because I do my own nails. I miss it. I miss not doing my own nails. However, I will say that a lot of times outside of Alaska, in Alaska, I could 9 times out of 10, I got what I was looking for, and like everyone could fucking do it. But everywhere else, anytime I would like show an inspo pic, I would walk away and be like, this is not the same. This is not what I asked for. But I wasn't that bitch that fucking was like, this is not what I asked for. I want a refund or whatever. I just walk away and come back and get a new set next time. But I love doing my own nails because I like them to be exactly how I want them, and I have to spend a lot of time to achieve that, but I get it done. Okay, the covers are still in the laundry, so this is a whole ass mess right now, but Dalton cleaned it, vacuumed it out, and used the cleaner. And now Luna wants to get in, so we gotta go. Because it's still drying. Say hi to the vlog, pretty girl. My skin has been incredibly dry, and it's driving me insane. My eczema is coming back, and I hate it. And I'm like just itching my hands all day, essentially, and I don't want to be doing that anymore. So, and I never like put my hands in a bath, but I'm going to make a moisturizing bath. First, I need to microwave this shit. So let's do that. I'm just gonna microwave it for a minute and a half. I'm just microwaving a cup and a half of water. And then I'm gonna mix in some. And then I'm gonna mix in some of my ingredients here. I did have a shit ton of these Truly products, and I've been trying to use them a bunch more lately, but I think they're just expired because they make me even itchier now, which they didn't used to do. So I really just think that they're just old. And I just waited too long to use them because I got too many at once and then was overwhelmed by them, so I never used them, and yeah, that was not bad. Anyway, so yeah, now we're microwaving that. I just looked up a few things that like might help with the dryness, and so I'm gonna just mix it in some water to help some of it dissolve, and then I'm going to also add some Epsom salt into my bath. So I got the Peaceful Pine Epsom salt that I'm gonna sprinkle in as well. Now we put in all the ingredients. So first I've got beef tallow, and the recipe, aka ChatGPT, calls for 2 tablespoons. And dissolve that in water to help it dissolve in the bath. I keep my baths hella hot though, so it should have no problem. Next, we're putting in 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Ooh. A little extra never hurt nobody. In fact, it'll probably help. As well as 2 tablespoons of honey. I did tell Dalton, I think we need to get some cheap honey to use for shit like this, because it's 2 to 4 tablespoons, and I'm going heavy on pretty much every other measurement, but I'm not gonna waste too much of the local honey because that's for the allergies. I wonder, does it soak through the skin too? Do you want some, Luna? She's rubbing up against my legs right now. What a cutie patootie. Okay. And then I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And this one's kind of the fancier one too, because Dalton chose it. I was like, we don't need fancy olive oil. But I'm not really the one that uses it anyway, so other than to do shit like this. I don't use it to eat, that's why I'm like, I don't need a fancy one. Okay, I might microwave that on its own as well for like 30 seconds just to get it extra incorporated. It's definitely quite separated right now, and it's reminding me a lot of like this like oil syringe I got one time, and I just like put it into Sprite, and it was awful. It was actually awful, but I had to drink it anyway. I'm just gonna rub the spoon on my hand because that's really where most of my issues are. Oh, fuck me. I didn't think I was gonna drip, and then I dripped. Quite separated, but yeah, hopefully it won't make it a little better in the back. I think baking soda was on the list, or baking soda or baking powder, and I feel like that might help it mix a little bit better, but I don't even know if we have any. And to be honest, I just don't care enough. But hopefully it still does something. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna just be too separated or not, but we're gonna do our best. Are you hanging out with Dad while he plays some games? Cutesy. She's hanging out right in the middle of us. Dalton's checking the mail currently. We just got back from a walk. It was cold, so it was a short walk, and I had wet hair, so probably not a great idea in the cold. But I've been wanting to start junk journaling, but I don't really have anything to junk journal with right now. So I found this on our walk today. So I definitely want to junk journal with that somehow, somewhere. I gotta find which journal I want to use first.